This company in China constructed a 10-story building in just 28 hours. The company used the technology of prefabrication, whereby the building is constructed by means of assembling small modular units that are built in advance at a factory. This girl caught a bubble randomly stuck in the air.
There's a glitch in the matrix. Why is it just floating? It's just like what the f***?
Don't you guys hate it when there's rocks stuck in your freaking tires, bro? God, I'm so glad I took that off. This pisses me off.
This guy wanted to uproot this tree, but it didn't go as planned.
Put the puck right in the sweet spot. Make sure it's a little to the right of the ramp. Let's get this. Hit up the quarter. Bat down. Hopefully. Oh! I got air on that one.
Did you know that starfish actually have tiny feet that they use to move around the bottom of the ocean? This tool was invented in the 1970s by a Finnish engineer. Its purpose is to make planting of seedlings much easier and faster.
We just found the scorpion, but while it might look pretty camouflaged under white lights, if I turn off my white light, you'll see under UV light they fluoresce. They fluoresce this greeny, bluey color. But if I turn my white light back on again, perfect camouflage, and then if I turn it off, there we go. Beautiful.